Good day mga boss, madam. So this is our Honda City RS 1.5 CVT Honda Sensing. So top of the line ng City. So this SRP is 1,138,000. Then plus 20,000, so 1,158,000. And then naka-promo rin siya na 0 down payment, valid for 15% ng approval. Tara, check natin to guys. So ito is naka 1.5 liter engine, dual overhead cam, 16 valve, and then naka 121 horses of power, and then 145 Newton meter of torque. So siya rin yung pinaka fuel efficient in its line of sedan segment. And equipped rin siya ng Honda Sensing. So may collision mitigation braking system, road departure mitigation system with lane departure warning, lead car departure notification system, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist system, and auto high beam. So yan ay applicable sa lahat ng city variants. Ayan. So sa exterior naman is naka full LED headlight siya, and then LED rin yung kanyang fog light. And nakikita niyo yung front bumper niya, front lip chin na new design, and then RS emblem logo and honeycomb design. Ayan. Ayan guys. Naka 16-inch Berlina alloy wheels. Ayan, makikita nyo. And then naka front wheel siya na disc brake, and then sa rear niya is naka drums brake ba. Side skirt na rin, valid only for the top of the line. Ayan, nakikita nyo guys. Ayan. Keyless entry, and makikita nyo guys, with one push button na lang dito if you unlock and unlock. Then guys, pwede nyo rin po siyang i-unlock through this. So yan. And then may remote start din siya, this one. So hold nyo lang mga 5 seconds, mag-remote start engine siya. And then yung opening ng trunk, then lock, and then unlock. Okay. So yan, kung makikita nyo guys, naka full leather siya. Seats, and then ceiling niya, naka black ceiling. And then yung kanyang handle grip, full leather na rin po siya. So yan, may sporty RS na pedal siya. Yan guys. Okay, so we're inside of the top of the line City RS. Yan. So yan, yan yung entry logo nya. So start natin with one push button. Yan. So ito is 8-inch infotainment system na naka Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible, and yeah, naka-wireless na rin siya. So yan guys, and then CVT transmission, which is meron siyang modes na park, reverse, neutral, drive, and sport. And then may icon button for fuel economy. So may paddle shifter din siya, no? So nandito yung plus, and then nandito yung minus. So yan lang siya, pull lang. And then this one, pull. So naka lane keeping assist, and then yung adaptive cruise control setting niya nandito. And then ito yung cruise control. So ito yung setting ng CMBS or collision mitigation braking system. And then may hands-free na rin siya na answering calls. So pwede nyo dito sagutin yung calls, and then setting dun sa head unit na dito na rin. So home, volume, channel, and then volume. So ito yung kanyang handle. And then guys, equipped na rin siya ng dual airbag sa front, SRS airbags, may side curtain airbags. And then may side airbags, which is nandito sa may seat. Yan. Then with tweeters na rin siya. Yan, dalawa. So kung makikita nyo guys, naka full LED na rin yung rear taillight nya. And then city badge, H logo, and then RS emblem. Ayan. So may rear diffuser na rin siya guys na black spoiler or black rear diffuser. And then yung kanyang spoiler is naka black chrome design siya. Ayan guys. So dito naman yung front view niya na naka daytime running light, and then yung kanyang hazard or yung signal lights. So meron din siya dito sa gilid. So andito yung kanyang shark fin antenna, and then yung kanyang rear defogger. Ayan. And then guys, may two rear air cons din siya, and then two 12-volt socket. So for USB charging na rin siya. So if ever may passenger tayo na may malobat, so may charge siya dyan. And then yung setting 2 pala ng aircon natin is nandun sa dashboard. Ayan. So dito is yung sa controls ng mga fan. Ito yung kanyang legroom, napaka-spacious. Ayan. Makikita nyo. And then yung kanyang headrest. Ayan guys. So, yan. May allowance pa ako guys. So, ayun guys. Message lang para ikaw na ang susunod na magka Honda City. PM na habang naka-promo pa kami.